Right, I'm going to tell you about how to add a form to a page. So we go to the Club Administrator's homepage and under Club Administration, select Members Only Pages. Then on the left-hand side, add a new Members Only page, fill in some fields, test form features, details, and then in the main body of the page, we're going to describe the event, because typically these forms are used for completing, getting members to say whether they're going to attend an event or not. Right, so once we've done that, we go to the bottom of the page and click on Add Page, and then over on the left-hand side, we'll see Add Update a Form for this page. And now we get the page entitled Add an Editable Form to the page. And we've got some column headings, so we're going to put attending and comments, and then we're going to select all the members and go to the bottom and click on Create. And now the form is shown in front of us, and you'll see at the top there's a toolbar, which if you click some of these, you'll be able to perform certain operations. There's an extensive help here, and it describes how to use the facility. And we click on the help button again, and all the information disappears. So the first thing we want to do is to highlight some rows and get rid of some people for whom we don't intend the form to be used by. So we select these two, we go to delete and delete the selected rows, and it asks us to confirm that we want to delete them, and then it resizes the form and presents us all to us again. So now, as it's a form determining whether somebody's going to attend an event, we're going to put in a yes/no cell in this, which will enable all the members to select one of these and say yes or no. I guess we should probably alter the heading to add yes, no. Right, and as we scroll down, you'll see that Graham Lawrence is highlighted in blue because he's the owner of the form, and this enables him to alter any data that anybody, any other member has not managed to alter. And because if he's not the owner of the form, then the members can only alter their piece of the data. Right, so we're going down here now. We'd like to put in this yes count, who's going to attend. So we're going to add a counter in the bottom row. So in the insert, we're going to insert a row below this one. And now we click on here, that cell there, and go scroll back up and insert a column counter into the cell. This means that when it's completed, it'll count up who's attending and who's not. So let's go and see how the form will be viewed by members. And you'll see that if we scroll up the page, the headings stay in the same position. So we always know what the heading is without having to keep going backwards again. So I'm going to say that I'm going to attend this event, and I'm going to put in yes there. So we can close this window now and go back to our form, but we'll probably need to refresh this page in order to bring in the updated data, because you will see down here that Graham Lawrence is now saying yes. Right, just one other thing you might like to know is if we click on a column here, with the letter at the top, we select the whole of the column, and we can change its width by decreasing this. Clicking this, and you'll see it decreases, and we click in the field again, the cell, and it will update the database. So we can highlight that now. It's all been saved. So if we go to print, and if we, let's go to view first. So we go to view. This is how the members would see it. And we can now print the form, and we get a question. If you want to see the owners highlighted, click OK. We don't, so I'm going to click cancel. And now we'd like to save trees, so we're trying to print the form on one page. So we can say we answer OK to the next one, and we don't want to print it really, but it will come up. But you'll see this is the form viewable as a single page, and you'll see at the bottom here we've got the totals of who's attending, who's not, and who's undecided. And that basically is the form. So let's go back to where we were editing it, which is here, and leave you to discover more about the features that are available in the form feature. Okay, thank you.